My name is Kiranpreet Kaur and I am from Makkar IELTS. Today I've come up with a graph which has been seen uh, very recently in November 2019 in the academic IELTS writing test in India. It's a line graph. The graph below shows the number of houses constructed in a particular part of UK and also shows the predictions for 2020. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So you can see there are years given on the x-axis 2010, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 and the number of houses on the y-axis. Um, so let's see how we go about writing this graph. The line graph illustrates the number of flats, terraced homes, detached homes, and semi detached homes built in a particular area of the UK since 2010 and also gives the projected figures for 2020. So, this is the introduction, which is a one sentence introduction. Then we come to the overview. Overall, it can be clearly seen that detached homes were the most preferred house types for the given period. So you can see this line is for detached homes. These were the most preferred type during the given period. However, in the near future, the number of flats is expected to outnumber all other house types. So in the near future, the number of flats is expected to outnumber all other house types. So here you can see that trends and the what is the maximum. Two things I've given in the overview. This is a gist of the graph. Okay. In 2010, about 2,200 detached homes were built, while the figure for semi-detached and terraced homes stood at 2,000 and 1,600 respectively. So here you can see 2,200 detached homes, while the figures for semi-detached and terraced homes stood at this 2,000 and 1,600 respectively. The number of flats constructed was considerably less at 1,000. Over the next 4 years, the number of detached houses and flats increased. So I've given the figures after 4 years straight away because in 2012 there is no specific thing to report. So in 2014, so over the next 4 years, the number of detached houses and flats increased and reached 2,800 and 2,200. This is the number of detached houses and flats increased. So detached houses 2,200 and flats became this is 2,000. While the number of semi-detached houses and terraced homes fell and stood at 1,800 and 1,400 respectively. Fell to, we can even say fell to. The existing trend has continued for flats, semi-detached houses and terraced homes till the present. So the existing trend, that is these two, there is a fall in the number of these two, and there's an increase in these two. So the existing trend has continued for flats, semi-detached houses and terraced homes till the present. However, the figures for detached houses fluctuated. So you can see the figures for detached houses fluctuated, and their number at present is approximately 2,400. So at present, if you say somewhere between 2018 and 2020, this is the present time, their number at present is 2,400. In the next 1 year, the number of flats is expected to grow further and reach about 2,800. By contrast, the number of detached houses and terraced homes are predicted to decline and stand at 2,200 and 1,100 respectively. So this is about 1,100 and this is about 2,200. So this is the graph in brief, Still it has gone a little above 200 words. But when there are four lines and there are so many years to give, this much over length is acceptable. Thank you very much for watching patiently. This graph has been written by Indrup Singh. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.